How about a special guest?
Oh, okay. I do. I think so. It might be too little rainy. I don't think so. Here, why don't you open a little bit? A little bit. Hmm.
This seems to be a little stupid damn radio.
Huh.
You gotta be kidding me.
I know. Isn't that bad to you? Yeah, but not the sun out. Especially clouds. When it's raining out, especially during some tornadoes. When we go to Kansas, it could be safe to go inside the house. If not, if not, the tornadoes gotta catch everyone and go up into the sky and look at that cool days. What was that? I don't know. It's just that's not loudly. Not loudly. This seems to be a little bit colder. We can't go outside when it's raining. Only can't go outside when it's sunnier. Yeah, I better too. Yeah, I guess so. Hmm. Why don't you go check out some movies? Look, there's a bunch of movies around here. Isn't that great to you? Mm-hmm. No, well, she's who's gonna place the fun? Who's gonna place the find?